Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin kung ano yung major surprise na parating sa inyo in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan. And paalala lang, ang reading natin ay general reading. So, maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Ano ang major surprise for Sagittarius in the next 30 days? Sagittarius. Oh. Finally, makukuha nyo na yung gusto nyo. Ano ba yung gusto nyo? Ano ba yung gusto nyo, Sag? Kasi, merong magbibigay, no? Or, finally, ibibigay na sa'yo yung something that you've been wishing for. Yung iba sa inyo, this can be a new work. Yung iba, like, pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa or documents, papers, migration sa ibang bansa. And it's finally happening. Tingnan natin in what area of life. The third house. Third house can be sasakyan, no? Kasi transportation to. Travel opportunities, learning opportunities. Kung gusto nyong mag-aral or meron kayong gustong i-take na course or online lesson or classes that will makakapag-improve ng inyong abilities, knowledge, skills. Ayan, major surprise. Some of you naman, kung meron kayong kapatid na gusto nyong makausap, makasama, makita, ayan, may surprise, magkikita na kayo. You have the Queen of Cups. This is taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. Someone na nagfo-focus na sa kanyang healing, no? Ngayon, mas aasikasuhin mo yung sarili mo para sa pagtuloy-tuloy ng paghilom galing sa painful experience mo in the past. You are finally closing a chapter of your life. Maaring yung iba sa inyo may experience ng betrayal, no? Cheating, panloloko, na you trusted someone pero sinaktan ka. Ayan o. Ouch. Kumbaga mahirap para sa'yo nung una na mag-let go. Pero, ayun na eh. Ikaw na ay tapos na. Tapos ka na dun sa chapter na yan ng buhay mo. And now, finally, you are getting what you want. You are, mas in control ka na ngayon sa buhay mo. May new beginnings dito. Alam nyo, meron mga taong nagtatry na isabotahe yung mga plano mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin. But I think you are powerful enough para mapigilan yung mga yan. No? Yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, yan yung tutulong sa'yo para mas ma-achieve mo yung goals mo nang walang pumipigil, walang sumasabotahe. The Six of Pentacles is bringing balance into your finances. So, kung kayo nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa kaperahan in the past, so ngayon, in the next 30 days, maayos nyo yung kaperahan nyo, yung daloy ng pera, and pwede rin, merong maging maingat ha sa mga taong tutulungan or bibigyan mo ng resources mo. Kasi maaring meron dyan, matutuklasan mo na hindi pala totoo yung intention nila, like parang, bawa hihingi ng tulong pero hindi naman pala talaga nila kailangan or hindi nila gagamitin sa paraan na sinabi nila sa'yo kung paano mo gagamitin yun. Paano nila gagamitin yung pera. What is the Six of Pentacles? Ooh, the Six of Wands, double six. Ang ganda nito. You will get the support that you need, Sagittarius. And you will be very successful with this. Kumbaga mako-compensate, mako-complement lahat ng dinideserve mo. Yung recognition na dinideserve mo, yung compensation na dinideserve mo, makukuha mo yan. And this is after yung struggle mo, no? So, nag-struggle ka, nahirapan ka, pero at the end of the day, the winner takes it all. O, ikaw ang winner. And finally, nung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong malaking desisyon na ginagawa or ginawa in the past, finally, ngayong in the next 30 days, you will be able to choose what's best for you. And this is going to bring you stability, lalo na sa trabaho, kung career yan, trabaho, career, business. And meron ding i-award, no? So I feel like merong i-award sa iyo, either pwedeng inheritance, no, yung mana, no, galing sa ancestors, family mo, na makukuha mo na finally, kasi pwedeng ipinagkait to for so many years sa'yo, na parang hindi, not actually pinagkait, pwede rin may ano, parang may pumipigil na makuha mo, but finally makukuha mo na siya. What is the 4 of Cups? The 5 of Cups. I think ngayon, nandun ka na sa point na alam mo na kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit na-feeling stuck ka. Kasi you may be dwelling from the past experience, kung may mga sinisisi ka, may regrets ka, pero ngayon, mas ano ka na, mas responsible ka na sa future mo, na alam mo, yung mga nangyari sa past is tapos na, wala nang magagawa, and it's time to move on, move forward, and focus on your goals. You know, nagkaroon ka na ng self-reflection, realization, at ngayon, nakafocus ka sa goal mo to reach that biggest star na nasa plano mo. What is this 8 of Wands? Oh, the Magician. Yes, you are tapping into your yung knowledge, skill set, abilities mo. Very creative yung energy ninyo, Sagittarius. Mas lalo mong ini-improve yung sarili mo. Pwedeng may pag-aaral din na gagawin ka. Part ng pag-aaral is travel opportunities, learning new culture, learning new things, learning new mga strategies, ganyan. Maaari ring magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong connections, like right people, yung mga tamang tao. You will be able to connect with the right people to support you sa goals mo and to help you achieve your dreams. There's excitement. You have Mercury in Gemini in the 3rd house. Mercury in the 3rd house, communication. Maaring, yun nga, may mga taong makakausap ka na magiging supportive of your goals and needs, and maaari ring merong good news ka na marireceive dahil Mercury is about communication, messages, na ma-excite ka dun sa message na yun. And also, mas magiging focus ka sa sarili mo, na tipong hindi ka magpapadistract sa mga bagay sa paligid mo. Kahit na merong mga taong nagtatry na isabotahe ka, or may mga taong pinag-uusapan ka about what you really do, wala ka nang pake doon, no? Kumbaga, parang ang focus mo kung ano yung totoo sa'yo. At dahil dyan, lalong magkakaroon ng pag-unlad. You will be able to partner with people na merong parehong visions, no, sa'yo, parehong goals and plans. Maaring merong business partnership. You have the Lion. Lion is about karma. This is justice. So, ano man yung dinideserve mo, makukuha mo yun. Whatever you deserve. Base sa mga actions na ginagawa mo, how you deal with things. You also have Pegasus. This is freedom, triumph, and potential. So, may mga marirealize ka, matutuklasan ka sa sarili mo na, ay, may potential pala ako sa ganitong bagay. So, you're going to harness that energy at mas magiging malaya ka na i-explore yung iba mo pang kakayanan. You also have the energy ng wolf. So, wolf is about yung parang confidence, no? Becoming wise. Alam mo kung bakit ka nandito, alam mo yung knowledge mo. 'Di ba pag marami kang alam, yun yung mas nagdadagdag ng confidence, no, sa ating sarili, na kahit sinong makaharap mo, sinong makausap mo, kaya mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo, kaya mong sumabay. hold the highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. So, ano man tong mga challenges, blockages, kaya mo yang ma-overcome. Ganon kalakas ang loob mo ngayon. Kasi kumbaga, you have the tools that you need. You are equipped. 'Di ba? Pay attention, a powerful message is being communicated to you now. So, merong powerful message na dinadala sa'yo ngayon. Maaring ito na yon, like a confirmation na hinahanap mo. Or maaring you will know this through a friend or pwedeng sa panaginip mo or anything that you feel na yun yung message para sa'yo. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.